It took 3 days to expand the computer. My colleague asked me if it was worth it. Mac Mini %% info repair by a 5. He asked us to help him expand his 512G to 4 TB. Remove the motherboard. You can see that there are 8 hard drive slots on both sides. Only 2 hard disks with a total of 512G were installed. The other 6 empty slots. Peripheral power supply circuit, and pull-up and pull-down resistors. No output. Expand for TB hard disk capacity. Need to install 851G hard drives on both sides. First, start to supplement the power supply circuit of 6 disk slots. It took more than 2 days. Finally completed all the power supply and signal capacitors and resistors. Test before replacing a hard drive. Confirm that the hard disk power supply 0.8 volts 1.2V to 0.5 volts works normally. Remove the 251G hard drives from the original machine. Treat the parts well. Prepare for subsequent welding. Install the 8-chip hard disks on both sides in sequence. Clean the hard disk mark and add green oil to cure it under the line. It took 3 days to finally install the 8-chip hard drive. Install in the system. Confirm that the hard disk capacity is displayed as 4 TB. Read and write speed test. Write 7179, read 5723.